Hi everyone, welcome to Nutritious TV. This one-pot rice recipe is the best way to turn rice into a delicious meal. Here is how. Cut 150 grams of beef into bite-sized pieces and combine with about 100 milliliters of water in a pan. Cook on low heat until boiled dries. Add in 4 tablespoons of vegetable oil and 1 chopped onion and saute. Continue to saute by adding 3 grated carrots into the pan. Pour in 800 milliliters of hot water and bring to a boil after adding some salt and about 1 tablespoon of lemon juice. Now add in 1½ cups of rice that you soaked in hot water and mix. Let all the ingredients simmer until boiled dry. Cover the pan with paper towel and let it rest for 15 minutes. One pot beef and rice is ready to serve. Enjoy! If you enjoyed the video, please hit the like button, subscribe, and click the bell icon. Thanks for watching.